Very good evening, my kids. So, here I'm back with another booster dose, and this dose is for your electron transport chain. As you know, that there on your screens, there this diagram. I know that there is a different kind of fear that we can't draw this diagram. Every time I heard this from all of you that ma'am humse nahi ban payegi, we have to remember these electron carriers. So this time I have find out a very interesting trick, very interesting trick for all of you. This is a little musical, but yes, we will give it a try. But before that, you should know few basic things. From Krebs cycle, we have made our two checks. We got our two checks. One is NADH2 and one FADH2. So we are going to deposit these two checks in our bank. And what is our bank? That is inner mitochondrial membrane, right? So we are going to deposit them in our bank, and then only we will get our energy. Otherwise there will be no energy for us from the aerobic respiration. So but the only problem is how to recall these all electron carriers. As you know that our brain can only remembers the things for 1/6 of the second. So after that, if you will not revise, it will be lost from your memory. So you have to keep revising things. If you think that okay, we are super confident in glycolysis, still you need to revise it after every second day. So today, without wasting our time, let's start with our trick. What is the trick? As every one of you know about FM, so I'm going to sing one song. I'm a very bad singer, so we are but going to use this trick. FM पे फिर से यूं क्यों सितार बजा, फिर से यूं क्यों सितार से सितार आ आ आ right, very easy. Just you need to sing this song 2 or 3 more times. फिर से सुनो. FM पे फिर से यूं क्यों सितार बजा, फिर से यूं क्यों से सितार आ आ. So you are ready to draw this etc with me? Let's draw it with me also, right? So here you have to mention first inner membrane space, and where is our bank? That is inner mitochondrial membrane, right? And where is your protons? In the matrix. So we are going to draw our electron carriers first with the help of this trick. And which is our first check? That is NADH2, and this check is going to oxidize. When the NAD जब ये oxidize होगा, जब ये bank में जाएगा, तो what will be there? 2 electron will be released as well as protons will be released. So who is there to receive in the bank? क्या trick है हमारा? FM पे. So this electron will be received by FMN. Now the moment it will transfer the electron FM पे फिर से. So write down फिर से. The moment these electrons they will go to iron sulfur complex. Now there will be lot of energy which will be released. This energy will help to pump these protons into the inner membrane space, and these electron will be received by these iron sulfur complex, right? Now FM पे फिर से यूं क्यों यूं क्यों So UQH2. And here, now here is another check which is going to release our electrons as well as protons. So same here, the moment these electrons, so it will receive electrons, right? It will pass the electron to UQH2, and the moment they will pass the electron, UQH2 will pass the electron to cytochrome B, there will be proton jumping. So what is our trick? FM पे फिर से यूं क्यों सितार बजा. Right, यहाँ तक clear? Now let's make next. What is next? What is next after cytochrome B? फिर से यूं क्यों सितार सितारे आ. Right. So I hope you are clear with this trick, but now we have to move our electrons. Our electron will go there, and then they will move to UQ, then they will move to UQH2, then here, and then C, and finally will be received by A and A3 complex. The moment there will be another protons, the moment there will be electron received by UQH2 and it will pass on to C1, there will be another proton pumping, and finally the electron will be received by half of your oxygen. 2 protons are there, 2 electrons will be received, and water will be formed. फिर से last time, FM पे फिर से यूं क्यों सितार बजा. फिर से यूं क्यों सितार आ. Right. So I hope you will also sing whenever you walk, whenever you are doing your, you are even in your free time. Please sing this electron transport rhyme. And I really wish that after this, you should not get any problem in drawing this electron transport chain.